RA 3350 exempted members of religious sects that prohibit affiliation with labor organizations from the requirement of joining a union as a condition of employment. Okay? Does not violate the Equal Protection Clause. The classification is between members of said religious sects and other workers. So they say this rests on substantial distinction. So these are the key points. Workers belong to a particular religious sect, Iglesia Ni Cristo or INC. They prohibit in their faith that they prohibit union membership. So they were exempted from closed shop agreements. So the classification is based on real substantial distinction. Religious belief that prohibits labor union affiliation. So the court said it's a real substantial distinction. Those who believe in this faith and those who do not. The law is germane to its purpose, di ba? Protecting freedom of religion while balancing labor laws or labor rights. The classification applies equally to all members of such religious sects, and the court here laid down GEES, okay, the 4 requisites of a valid classification.